mean chicharo in Tagalog or snowy. Some people they want to remove the bad smell of fish when they are doing the sinigang, or in Spanish it's call it Cusido. We call it in Bicol Cusido. So that's why I'm doing fried the Gigi or galonggong. I'm frying the
Start frying the galonggong. Salad master, when you fry, put the lid. So I'm using the salad master top stove. So this is number 4. So it's always medium heat only. We don't use the high heat to save the electricity. 50% of your electricity. So now I'm done with the fried of galonggong fish. So, ito na. Here's the galonggong fish that already fried. So, I'm gonna do the tambak-tambak system in Salad Master for cooking the sinigang. So, there you go. This is the 3/4 of top stove Salad Master. So, first, when you're gonna do tambak-tambak system, the onion, garlic, ginger, and tomatoes, you have to put it on the bottom. So all of them on the bottom. And then you put the fish. It's up to you if you want a fresh fish. Don't fry it. But this one, because I miss the Bicol cooking of sinigang, so I'm gonna leave the 2 one because I like fried also. The 2 galonggong, I'm gonna eat it later. So this, followed by the green beans. And then of course, followed by the okra. So which one is hard to cook? Takes time to cook. That's the one you're gonna cook first. And then followed by the snow peas, because snow peas is easy to cook. So put the lid. I don't put any water, just the tomatoes and the green vegetables, and turn the medium. Turn medium is number 5. So, and then when it's cooked already, that's the only time you're gonna put your lemon. So when it's cooked, put the lemon to make it taste sour and taste good for delicious sinigang. So I always use the natural ingredients, like mostly organic, because I wanna be healthy. So that's how I do cooking. Always be healthy, and I like a lot of vegetables. So this sinigang will be cooked in 8 to 10 minutes only, because the fish is cooked already. So it's gonna be 8 to 10 minutes only just to cook the vegetables with sinigang. So now, the Salad Master 3/4 top stove is clicking already. It means the food is cooked already. So it's only 8 minutes. It's done, the cooking of sinigang in a medium heat. So let's check out if it's really cooked already. So at least you can see now. So I'm gonna open it, because cooking any vegetables or food, you shouldn't stir and open all the time, because when you stir or open all the time, when you are cooking, it evaporates all the vitamins and minerals. That's why you have to add a lot of salt or any seasoning. Here you see already that I didn't add any seasoning. So now I'm gonna open it to show you. So because it's locked, it's sealed. Why it's locked? It's locked because it's like it sealed the vitamins and minerals and nutrients inside the food. So let's open it after 8 minutes cooking. See, charan! Wow, look at that. So the vegetables is just half cooked. That's the way I like. So now, because I didn't put any water, let's check out. See, there's a lot of liquid now. That liquid is from the tomatoes and some greens, so vegetable. So this one, let's add the lemon. So when it's cooked already, that's the time you add the lemon. So I'm gonna put the whole lemon, the one big lemon, because I like sinigang or my cusido or fish soup with a sour taste. That's my favorite for sinigang, sour. So one big lemon. So you see, I don't stir because I don't wanna remove or I don't want the nutrients evaporate. So I'm gonna remove the seeds. You have to remove the seeds because it's gonna taste bitter in your sinigang. Then I'm gonna close the lid and shake it to mix the lemon paste. So it doesn't spill. See, when I'm shaking it, it doesn't spill the juice or the liquid from vegetables. So those liquid are very nutritious. So let's try. Look at that. Now after I shake it, see? Wow. So I'm gonna try my sinigang. Wow, this is perfect. No bad smell of fish. No, hindi malangsa. So that's the very good. That's why a lot of Bicolanos, they fry the fresh fish before they do sinigang. But of course, if you don't want fried for healthy purposes, mostly I don't fry, but only now because I want to show you the different ways of cooking fish sinigang without langsa. So that's how the way it is. So if you want to cook the fish without langsa, do fried it and then make it sinigang. Even the tuyo or the dried fish, we often make cusido or sinigang in Bicol. Even the tinapa, we make it sinigang. Same thing, how I do right now. You see now, it's become juicy. So there's a lot of soup now from the vegetables.